Module 3, Lesson 14, the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. Converse is, if the lengths of three sides of a triangle satisfy the a squared plus b squared equals c squared formula, then the triangle is a right triangle. Remember, the hypotenuse has to be the c side, the largest side. So we're going to take a look at some examples here. We have all three sides. We don't have marked that this is a right triangle. We don't know if it's a right angle. So what we have to do is we have to try and figure out. Now, if any of these angles would be a right angle, it would be this one. The largest side is always our hypotenuse, so this has to be our hypotenuse, so this would be our right angle possibly. So we'll set up the formula. 272 squared, 546 squared, and 610 squared. 272 when we square it is 73,984. 546 squared is 298,116, and 610 squared is 372,100. Now, if we combine these two, when you add those, you actually get 372,100, which is the same thing, which means yes, these are equal, which means yes, this is a right angle. Okay, we do have a right angle, we do have a right triangle. Let's try another one. Okay, here's our triangle. Which side would be our hypotenuse? Correct, this side, because it is the largest, which means this is our right angle, maybe. Okay, we're asking ourselves that. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. The 7 and the 9 have to be our a and our b. The 12 will have to be our c because it's the longest side, our hypotenuse. 7 squared is 49, 9 squared is 81, and 12 squared is 144. If I add 49 and 81, I get 130. That does not equal, which means this is not a right angle. Okay, not a right triangle. Okay, so that's how we can test it to see if we have a right triangle or not.